we are going to do a mini rite of passage to the month of December. This is going to be very powerful, and I am so honored that you're here either live or watching the replay. Just want to make sure that, yay, this is working. Super big welcome. I believe we are live both in Instagram and on Facebook, so yeah, good to go. Those of you that don't know me, I'm Patricia Misakian, founder of the Akashic Records Institute, and it's truly an honor to be here with you, opening this powerful energy for this month that we have just stepped in. Today is December 2nd. And so I just drew the cards for this month with my 3 oracles. I'm going to leave them right here, and the ones that I drew for the month are right here. I'm looking at them. But before I share the oracles for the month, what I like to do is this mini of rite of passage. So what do I mean by mini rite of passage? This is an opportunity for us to cut the cords with the month that we close and anchor what we really want for the month that we are entering, which is now December. But not only that, not only anchoring your desires, but who are you being in every single moment of the month ahead. Now, of course, we cannot be perfect all the time, nor we want, right? We are human, and that's so important to really fully own what we are, right? So the grace of giving yourself permission to learn about yourself, to make mistakes and to learn from the mistakes and to continue moving forward in life. That's what makes the beauty of being human. So let's fully own that and embody that. Before we start the rite of passage, I want to do a super quick reminder. If you haven't seen it, this Monday, which is in 2 days from today, we are going to start a very powerful event. Is a 5-day workshop called 2024 Wealth Vision for Entrepreneurs. So this is a 5-day experience where you're going to reprogram your money blueprints to accelerate your business growth in the year ahead. So it's a must not miss kind of workshop. I am going to make it no more than an hour a day, so you can easily implement in your daily. So look on my bio if you are on Instagram, so you can sign up to it, or if you are here on Facebook, below this video, that will be, when you watch the replay, that will be the link here, all right? So without further ado, let's get started. So all we're gonna do to start is to take a moment to honor your experience for the month of November that we just closed. So the idea here is, and that's the whole basis of my work, if you experienced our Akashic clearings before, the idea is to not carry forward the agreements, emotions, thoughts, overthinking thoughts that hold you back in life, right? So, and we have the tendency to move through life like carrying all the weight of what someone told you like years ago, or something that happened, an agreement that you made with yourself, with an experience that you had in the past. And whenever we do that, we're moving through life being triggered by things that are really not important. And when we give ourselves that, which is not a good thing to give ourselves, right? This letting be triggered by this or that, which all the time has nothing to do with you. It's just an agreement that you made in the past. But when you create this space of separating the month, and let's bring that energy to start new, start fresh with these eyes of love, kindness, and especially grace with yourself, because it's a crazy world out there, and we are the ones that need to give ourselves what we need before we expect anything or anyone to give us that, right? So without further ado, let's do this. If you're new here, just go with the flow, and it's going to be fun. So let's take a moment. If you have your favorite crystal, I'm going to bring a healer today. Bring the crystal to your heart, bring your hands to your heart, and close your eyes. Deep breath in and out. And let's create this sacred space of safe container that we're going to invite all parts of yourself that come to you now, from the places you've been throughout, especially throughout the month of November, allowing all the memories, emotions, feelings, and beliefs experienced in November to come to you now. And imagine that, there's like little movies floating around your autumn. Those little movies are experiences that you had in this month. And what I want to invite you to do here is to express gratitude for all these experiences you had in November, regardless of your judgment if those experiences were good or bad. At this moment, that doesn't really matter. What matters is to fully own and receive what you experienced in November. So I'm going to be silent and I'm going to be doing this with you. I love this session that we do. And just allow, as the memories of what you experienced in November come through, just receive them and express your gratitude, knowing that even the things that you don't want to experience, trusting that there is love behind why you attracted the people and experience that you attracted in the month of November. At the end of the day, we always attract what we need in order for fully support us in our growth. So without further ado, just allow the memories to come and express your gratitude to all the experiences in November. Beautiful. And now imagine that you're going through this tunnel, a golden tunnel. And in this golden tunnel, you're energetically entering the month of December, no longer carrying the weight of November, but truly fresh and open and lighter, letting go of the emotions you experienced in November and just creating this heart open space of possibilities, tapping into the potentiality that is the lays ahead in the month of December, and remembering that you are the one that is going to make things happen or not for yourself. So this is the moment that you're going to tap into your imagination and allow yourself to imagine the memories that you wanted to create in November. So the same way that we express gratitude for the memories you created in November, let's tap into your imagination to what you wanted to express gratitude when we do next month's Rite of Passage. So moving through your imagination and expressing gratitude to all that is already around you for December. Notice what you notice. And as you tap into your imagination, ask yourself, who am I being as the person that creates these memories? Tap into the way of being, the identity of a stronger version of you, lighter version of you, creative version of you. And notice, who are you being? Bring your hands to your heart to anchor that identity, that way of being. Beautiful. And when you're ready, you can open your eyes. And I would love that when you are here, comment below, in the comments below, letting me know what identity you wanted to embody in the month of December. And I will hold you powerful no matter what. I read every single comment, and I'll send powerful vibration throughout the month of December for you. So make sure to leave your comment below. And with that, I am going to share with you the oracles for the month. I drew one card from each of my oracles. And so the first one from my Sacred Crystal Codes Oracle deck for the month of December, to support us, to be present with us always, 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 we receive the Oracle of Higher Self. So this is a powerful month to strengthen your connection to your higher self, or start a beautiful relationship if that kind of work is new for you. So know that we got you back. And we have a powerful healing session, connection to your higher self, on my YouTube channel. So if you want to see that, just comment below higher self. When I come back, I will send you the link for the YouTube channel. So this oracle comes into your life to invite you to strengthen your connection to your higher self. And it also comes to bring deeper awareness of the power when you strengthen the connection to your higher self. If you are interested in move through the month of December deeply aligned, trusting more, not being so hooked up on, the little things that we all experience in life, this is a moment to strengthen that connection to your higher self. Lean into trust, lean into your desires, because if they came to you, it's for you to fully embody. Your higher self is you with a deeper understanding of where you've been, who you are, and where you're going. And the most important thing, develop your intuition, connecting to your higher self, is the whole basis of everything that I do to support you in growing your business, in having, moving through life, less worried, less hook up to little things, so that you can be in the right space of mind to grow your business, to improve your relationships, and be fulfilled. Trust me, sometimes you think you're looking for money, things like that. Of course, we can help you with that. But the most important is to understand that when you're not aligned, whenever you achieve those things that you wanted to achieve, if the fulfillment is not there, it's not going to make the impact you think it's going to make. I will help a lot of clients that are there and, created successful business, created a lot of money. However, at a cost of their health and their well-being, that now they come to me to fix it. So let's get that out of the way to begin with. Higher self, finding that fulfillment of having, getting there, whatever there is for you. However, in alignment, in fulfillment, then you really experience, get back the fruits of what you're looking for. From our second oracle, we are working with my other oracle deck, the Akashic Realm Messengers, and we have a beautiful teacher supporting us through the month of December, which is Zemel, teacher of releasing past hurts. Zemel controls the amount of pain you place in your memory as you go through trauma. And these are the experiences, forgetfulness. So many times we all have little triggers that for some people could be like silly, like why you get so caught up in this little thing. However, is because of your particular experience, who you are, and the memories you had and experience you had. So when we go through trauma and we don't know how to deal with the situation, no matter what age you are, you make an agreement with yourself to hold yourself back. But the thing is, your soul wants to move through that. However, the way that your soul moves to that is by bringing similar situations, so you can actually, as you grow in life and, the time pass, you get more tools to deal with. But because we made that agreement, we usually resist. Things that we resist the most are the ones that has the biggest potential for healing, right? So Zemel deeply knows the hearts of people, and he knows how to arouse the love when you are wounded and hardened by trauma. And his particular message for you for this month is, this is your time. If you choose to allow it to be, you are now stronger enough to face your past and heal the wounds. So you can ask Zemel, those of you that have this oracle, ask Zemel to show you the support system that you need to help you to take a courageous step into your future. So powerful, powerful one. And our last one for today is the planetary activators. Those are oracles, and they're also crystal holders. I love them. By the way, they are 7 cards, 7 grid holders, one for each of the main planets. And they are great travel companion. I am about to go to the US in a few days, going back home after 2 years that I've been in Brazil, and guess now can't bring all my crystals. So guess who I'm bringing? I'm gonna bring just some little crystals and my grid, so I can continue doing my work wherever I go, right? So it's a great travel companion. This particular planetary activator is the Venus. The Venus is actually like that, is the Venus activator, and is here to support you throughout the month of December with the energy of relating, attracting, harmonizing, and really anchor your what you want in a way, in a feminine way. It's not about that want. Venus is not about that, like, I want it and I want it now. No, it's not the energy. It's the energy of, I want. It is done, right? There is some certain, the energy of certainty as you move through December. The deeper you're connected to the planetary activator of Venus, easier will be to hold the trust. Because as human beings, we have the tendency to fluctuate, right? So, and especially depending on your design, you can be like today super certain about something, and then tomorrow will be like, things happen and don't pay attention on your energy. What happened, your energy goes down, and that's when you have to be very, very careful. So whenever you can hold your ground into this energy that Venus brings, that knowingness, that knowing that life is always working out for you, not being so caught up in the immediate results of things, so you can hold the faith and trust to really anchor your purpose and live your legacy wealth. So it's a powerful month to hold that energy. And this is the oracle for this month. Hope you enjoy. I cannot wait I can't see the comments right now, but I will come back later, and I will, as I promised, make sure to comment below what is your way of being. I wanted to see what came through when you did the mini rite of passage here of your way of being in December, and let me know how the message from which oracle more relate to you and to where you are. I love you, and I cannot wait to see you on Monday. Make sure to enroll. There is a little issue, by the way, on Facebook for me to send you a message. So if you don't hear from me with either the workbook or the message, I went around that situation by, number one, putting the link for you to join this powerful 5-day experience. It's a free 5-day experience on my Instagram bio. And it's also on my Facebook, and it's going to be down below here on the YouTube. So there is no excuses for you to not show up there. It's going to be super powerful. And I cannot wait to see you there and see all the transformation that is coming through for you. Happy December, and I'll see you soon. Take care.